Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to Tricks and Tutorials. This video sponsored by Dingtone. Dingtone is unlimited free calling and texting app. This app are so cool. We can make a call without SIM card. It mean this app is not a just app. Just like a second SIM card. We can make calls to any phone number, to any country. Let's find out about Dingtone app. If you wish to call to your over-the-sea friends or who are living in another country, use this app. You can make a calls without paying IDD calls rate. This app support to Android and iOS too. Then you can download the Dingtone app from Google Play Store and App Store. We can use this app as a second number. It mean we can use as another real phone. This Dingtone app looks like another SIM, no need any SIM to get a new number. When someone calling to your Dingtone number, you can answer calls like real incoming call. You can pick a second phone number to protect your personal privacy. Multiple numbers can be used on one phone with Dingtone app applied. Dingtone app available in App Store for iOS users. Android users can download from Google Play Store. It's free, no need to pay when you installing Dingtone. In Google Play Store search Dingtone. Apple users search in App Store. Before installing you can read app reviews and rating to how this app's help to the peoples. This app smoothly work in Android mobiles. And to many ways to earn Dingtone credits. This app are very good to make calls with hiding your real SIM card number. It's easy and we can call any number from any country. Without paying internationals calls fees. And we can send text messages to any number from any country. For direct numbers no need anyone install the Dingtone app. However, after installing Dingtone app, everyone should create an account with Dingtone app. We can use our email address or phone to create an account. Dingtone works by enabling users to make calls over the internet without using traditional phone lines. This means that users can make calls without incurring any international calling charges. The app uses a voice over internet protocol, VoIP, technology that ensures high-quality call connections and crystal-clear voice quality. In addition to free international calls, Dingtone offers free phone numbers to users. Users can choose from a range of phone numbers from different countries, and use them to make and receive calls from anywhere in the world. This is especially beneficial for individuals and businesses that need to establish a presence in different countries, without having to invest in expensive communication infrastructure. Another benefit of Dingtone is its ease of use. The app is designed to be user-friendly, with a simple and intuitive interface that anyone can use. Users can make calls, send text messages, and access a range of communication features with just a few taps on their mobile device. Overall, Dingtone is a game changer in the world of communication, providing users with a cost-effective and hassle-free way to stay connected with their loved ones, friends, and business contacts anywhere in the world. In today's digital age, communication is more important than ever before. Whether it's for business or personal reasons, staying connected with friends, family, and colleagues across the globe has become an essential aspect of our daily lives. However, high international calling rates and the need for a local phone number can be a major obstacle for many. This is where Dingtone comes in, a mobile app that allows users to make free international calls and obtain phone numbers from around the world, all from the convenience of their smartphone. In this post, we'll explore the features and benefits of Dingtone, including how it can help you save money and stay in touch with loved ones no matter where they are in the world. Dingtone offers many premium features that can enhance your communication experience. One of the most popular premium features is the ability to create accounts and social media registration with Dingtone number and make international calls to non-Dingtone users. With this feature, you can call anyone in the world without worrying about the high costs of international calls. This feature is available at very affordable rates, making it a great option for anyone who needs to make international calls frequently. Dingtone offers many features and we can add it must-try app. Downloads today and try this app. If you are like to read, watch my blog, post about Dingtone, and my other videos. Next video? I love to share how to get phone number from any country and how to earn Dingtone money easily. Then subscribe me to watch next video. Comment me below about this app and your questions. Thank you. See you again.